Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to use superscript and subscript in Microsoft Office Excel. So let's start. Superscript means in this x2, 2 will be raised to the power of x. So if you have to write x square in Excel, then we have to put x to the power 2. So this x to the power 2 can be done using superscript. So first, I will select the part which I have to raise into the power. Then click on Control 1. New window will arrive. Go to Superscript and click on OK. Then you can see 2 is raised to the power. This is superscript. Now, if you have to undo this or go back to this previous form, then again Control 1. Have to uncheck this superscript and OK. Now you can see it is went back to its original form. X, then side, inside and beside there will be 2. So this is how you can do and undo superscript. One more example. I have to write a to the power 4, b to the power 7. So using superscript, I will do one by one. I will select 4, Control 1, then superscript, OK. You can see 4 is raised. Now I have to raise 7 also. Click on 7, select the 7, Control 1, again go to superscript, then select OK. Now it is done. Now if you have to undo this, then again you have to uncheck that superscript one by one for each of these two, 4 and 7. Now moving on to subscript. For subscript, what we have to do, subscript means it will go to the suffix, or the hydrogen means H2. Now 2 will be in the suffix position. For that I have to select 2, Control 1, go to subscript, select and OK. You can see 2 is now went to the suffix. Same for if I want to undo this, then I will select that, Control 1. This window will arise, uncheck the subscript and OK. This will be done. Now I have to give C to A6. 2 will be in the suffix position of C and 6 will be in the suffix. So what will I do? I will select the 2 first, Control 1, subscript, OK. Now I have to put the same for 6. I have to do each for them one by one. So Control 1, subscript, OK. Now it is C2H6. Now if you want to undo that, select this 6, Control 1, uncheck that subscript, OK, and do same for this 2 also to undo this thing. Okay, so Control 1, remove the subscript, OK. So this is how you can do subscript and superscript in Microsoft Office Excel. Thank you.